Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So as you all may already know, Bliss Network made a post as of 21 hour ago. Alright. So this was the post right over here. They say the time to register is now open. If you have been working on the part with us, this is your next step, right? You have till August 19th to register your wallet and qualify for the upcoming time airdrop. So what we're gonna be doing right now is that we're going to process this. We're going to do this right down, and we're going to open up to our Bliss Network. Now this is how the Bliss Network actually looks like and how it actually runs. Right, then you come down to the airdrop menu. You're going to see right now I have like we have like 5 days run now, 5 days on our, so you can basically see it's about time. So you click on to register the airdrop, and right over here they are asking us to connect our wallet. All right, so you will have to connect our wallet. So they say connect your wallet to receive an airdrop using your main personal address to avoid being identified as bot. All right, so this is something that we need to basically do with our own account. So to connect your wallet, you will need to have a wallet. All right, you basically need to have a wallet, and I have some bunch of wallets right over here which you can basically see. I have some empty wallets which I don't basically use. I just kept them right over here. All right, so we're going to proceed to these steps. Bliss Network is loading right now. Then we're going to head over straight to this menu. Just have to allow this to load up. All right, so once it loads up, we have like 5 days from now, so we're just going to click on it, and right on this menu we have to select a particular wallet we want to use. So I'll be using my Phantom wallet, and once I come over here, they're going to ask me to connect my wallet. Then we have to connect our wallet, and this is going to verify. All right, so within a short period of time, this automatically gets to verify and is going to connect our wallet for us. And then we're going to be moving to the next process. And mind you, this Bliss Network is only available on the laptop or on your desktop. All right, so if you want to actually start mining the Bliss Network, you have to have a desktop or a laptop which is going to allow you, or which is going to be able to access the Bliss Network. All right, now all the information you basically need are also going to be dropped for you in their Twitter, and you can basically go over to their Twitter and get most of the information right over there. So you can see sign in with your wallet. So all you have to do is just to connect that, and it allows this to load out. So every single process of you connecting your wallet with the Bliss Network is very simple, it's very easy. And please make sure you watch this video, understand how to basically connect your wallet with the Bliss Network, and also please try as much as possible to get the whole information you basically need. Alright, so once it's loaded up successfully on this menu, what you need to do now is just to click on the confirm and then allow this to load out. Alright, so it's just going to load out a little bit, and once you confirm your login or your process of your login straight up into your account, then automatically it's going to sign your Bliss Network to be connected to your Phantom wallet. You can also use Trust Wallet or any other wallet out there, which is also going to be mentioned under the Bliss Network to be connected. Now you can actually use any of the wallet right over there. I said to use Phantom because I'm more familiar with Phantom, and at the same time it's actually easy to use as well. All right, so you can get the link of the wallet from the description of the video, or you can automatically get access to any of the wallets which you already have in your own account. Alright, so once it loads up completely, what you need to do now is just to click on register airdrop, and then you're gonna see right here prepare registration, and you can see right here generating registration parameters. So this is just a step that you need to basically follow, and you're good to go. Alright, so I'm actually doing this on a low battery on my laptop right now, and you can basically see I barely have over 25% left. Alright, so this loads out and this completes on time so that I don't have any problem doing this. So if you want to actually get more information about airdrops and also about anything in general about crypto, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please try as much as possible to give us a follow so that I can basically share with you guys more updates like this. And at the same time, just make sure to comment down below if you found this video helpful. All right, so then quickly complete this, and then I'll head back to show you guys what we're having next. All right, so Once it slows start, you can basically see right now, just going to allow us to do our confirmation, and you can see submitting registration to the blockchain, which is basically the next step right here. So processing registration, just give this a little bit of time and we're going to see what's the next step. All right, so once everything is done successfully, you're going to see a notification like this, which is going to show success. All right, so you can see right now you're not registered, and that is basically all. So you're going to ask you to follow them on Twitter. So let me use this other account. Let me give them a follow, and that is basically all. Just make sure to check their account right over here. You're going to notice that they have over 543.3k followers. Give them a follow and also stay tuned for more updates. Wish you guys all the best. Peace out, guys.